This short video will show you how to open and save a CSV file with Google Sheets. We recommend Google Sheets to edit CSV files, as many other spreadsheet software, including Excel and Numbers, do not preserve the CSV format and could create errors when importing back to Airplane. Go to sheets.google.com, open the file picker, click on Upload and select the CSV file from your computer. You can now edit the file, and then save it back to your computer in CSV format by going to the File menu, then Download and CSV.